Finding the best teleprompter setup is not easy because multiple options are available, from standalone devices to app and device combos. In this quick guide, we want to show you the two most popular names on the teleprompter market and compare what they have to offer. How can we compare a teleprompter device with the teleprompter app? The Elgato Prompter device offers a compact solution with a built-in display and accompanying software, making it an all-in-one package at a competitive price. The Teleprompter app is the software that can connect Apple devices to form a display, which then only needs to be supplemented with a teleprompter rig. This revolutionary combination offers a budget-friendly solution for iPhone or iPad owners. What about the price? Elgato offers a teleprompter device at the price of approximately $280, which includes the display and the software necessary for managing the text. With the free teleprompter app, you only need to buy the rig and an iPad, which gives you a similar price as the Elgato device would. But you'd have all the other advantages of owning an Apple device as well. Beyond the price, let's also look at the hardware options. The Elgato Prompter offers a compact and light design with fewer adjustments needed on the rig. It has a snap-on structure that is easy to handle for any user, so the setup requires less time. The Elgato Prompter comes with a smaller beam splitter glass that has a more rigid build due to the device's compactness, making it impossible to tilt. The teleprompter rig offers a larger beam splitter glass that can easily be tilted or adjusted, allowing more room for the camera to move forwards or backwards. Both of them are compatible with a variety of camera lenses. The Elgato device is compatible with lenses up to 9 different lens diameters, for which 9 step-up rings are also included in the package, and it is also compatible with the Elgato Facecam. It still needs, however, a laptop or computer with a USB-C port for the prompter display. The teleprompter rig, on the other hand, works smoothly with practically any camera and lens combination. In this case, an Apple device would work as the display, so both the rig and the teleprompter app are compatible with iPhones and iPads. Last but not least, let's have a look at the very different software options. Elgato introduced its very own software, Camera Hub, made only for the Elgato Prompter. But practically anything can be displayed on its screen as it serves as a monitor. This software allows for creative text formatting and includes extras such as a chatting mode for streamers. If you opt for an iPad and a teleprompter rig, you can choose between multiple software solutions. For instance, teleprompter.com. This software is also versatile, allowing various modifications to the text. One of its greatest advantages is its compatibility with different devices, like phones, tablets, remote controls, foot pedals, and even game controllers, so that you can get really creative with the setup. All in all, Elgato offers a compact device suitable for professional video production for those who prefer stability and quality despite the higher price. The Teleprompter app plus rig option is perfect for everyone who would like a cheaper yet equally durable and high-quality device that allows for more hardware options and more flexibility with text formatting and glass adjustment. With Teleprompter app's 7-day free trial, you can record live presentations, practice scripts, and record videos with a watermark. Try it now. You can find the link in the description.